What's going on, guys? It's Roger with Fund Trade Solutions. So AMC stock today, right at market open, dropped like a stone, and I want to go ahead and break down exactly why that is, and I want to answer the million-dollar question at this point, which is simply, when are we going to begin to aggressively push up, right? We're going to go ahead and break that down for you. We're going to keep it very beginner-friendly and very basic, where you don't get discouraged by all these fancy lines and indicators here. If this is your first time on the channel, do me a favor, please like the video, please subscribe. Really helps us out. I make videos like these every single day, breaking down good stocks to buy, and I like to make beginner friendly videos. If you have any questions at all after the video, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to reach out to me on Instagram, and I'll leave a link in the description that gives you 2 free stocks, a new center for Webull, and deposit $100. Let's go ahead and get right to it, guys. So AMC today, right at market open, ended up making lows of about 37 cents from our highs during the pre-market hours. We ended up pulling back nearly 10% on the day. Now, why did we end up pulling back? Well, if we quickly take a look at the NASDAQ market, this is the index that the overall stock market follows. So stocks like Apple, AMD, Amazon, they all follow this index. And you can see that this is simply what the overall market did today, right? Again, right at market open, we're kind of chilling up here, and then we began to aggressively sell off right at market open. So it wasn't just AMC, right? It was really the overall market that was simply, bearish today. We ended up pulling back, and this makes sense, right? When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the bigger picture. If we take a look at the overall market on the 180-day chart, this is the best chart when it comes down to analyzing stocks for the long term. It lets us know where it is that we are currently at and where we're going to be potentially moving next. We were simply overextended. We recently made 180-day highs. So this is what allowed us to pull back. And this is very important to note, not only for your investment in AMC, but really for your whole portfolio, especially if you're someone who's invested within the tech sector. Do not be surprised if you see a small pullback and correction, right? As is expected, right? We are near 180-day highs, guys. Now, applying that same concept, right? Keeping it simple when it comes down to answering the million-dollar question, when will AMC begin to push up? Well, look at the bigger picture. Again, same deal. Look at where we stand on the 180-day chart. We have previously validated this $46 area as a resistance. If we quickly, let's just draw a line right here. This is going to be a very good indication of when AMC can potentially begin to aggressively push up. If we position ourselves above $46, right, with about, let's say, 2 to 3 green sticks, then I do believe that that'll be showing us signs of a potential continued uptrend, given that it has previously validated itself as a support. As of right now, we are still showing signs of some consolidation and a pullback. So I still expect AMC for a while to continue to do what it's been doing so right here, right? Just kind of consolidating, flatlining, meta bottom here. We'll draw a line right here around this general $31 area, which it has also validated as a support. Again, keeping it very simple, support and resistance, right? Look at support and resistance. When in doubt, zoom out. If we position ourselves below, let's say $30 with about 2 to 3 green sticks, then I do believe that we will be definitely more so prone for an aggressive correction. But as of right now, we are more so prone just for trading within this region here with low points, high points, low points, high points, low points, high points, low points, high points. You get the picture, right? But pay attention to $46. It'll be a good indication, right? And I'm not saying that, hey, we're going to the absolute moon, 1000% rocket emojis if we position ourselves above $46, right? But at least it's going to let us know that, hey, we're showing signs of an uptrend. We have some volume. We have some upward momentum. The general direction is in our favor. And again, it'll mean that we could begin to aggressively push up. Now, we do have some resistances here up at the general $62 area, but I do believe that once we break above 46, we'll have some momentum, we'll have some buying pressure, right? We'll have just general direction in our favor that is going to allow us to push up, right? And meet these critical points, potentially breaking above them as well and using them as a support. Remember, previous resistances can act as new support levels. So as of right now, guys, we are showing signs of some continued uptrend, some continued consolidation, pay attention to the overall NASDAQ market, right? And really, this is more so for your whole portfolio. Keep in mind, AMC is a momentum stock, right? And one of the reasons for which it has held up very, very strong is a community that's behind it. And I don't even mean that in a cheesy way, but quite literally, right? People are simply not selling their position, and this has allowed it to hold strong, right? Most people, at least, have not been selling their position, right? And this has allowed it to hold very, very strong. Fundamentals aside, valuation aside, it's holding very, very strong as people are holding their position. If you guys want more updates on AMC, like the video, subscribe. Really appreciate all you guys' support. Also, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to join our free private Facebook group. It's called Fund Trade Solutions. We have a little bit over 1,000 members. We like to call out good stocks to buy. I like to recap my trades there every single day. Thank you so much for watching, guys.